Greetings. In this video we are going to look at how we can add a virtual background image on our Zoom videos. So to begin, you need to first sign into your Zoom account online. So go to your browser and then you type in zoom.us, press enter, and then you click to sign in. Go to your sign in button here. Sign into your account. After you sign into your account, on your left here, click on settings. When you click on settings, you scroll down. Scroll down until you see this option where there is virtual background, and then you click to enable it so that it is in blue. Okay, ensure that it is in blue and the virtual background is enabled. To enable the use of virtual backgrounds on your Zoom video. Then after you do this, you can minimize here, and then you open the Zoom app on your computer. Then you sign into it. After signing into the Zoom app on the computer, come and click on the settings button. It's just below your profile image here. Click on settings, and on the left you come and click on background and filters. Okay, so then it will provide you with options here. The different background filters that it offers here. Then to add your background that you already have on your computer that you intend to have in your Zoom video, you come and click here on the plus sign to add image. Okay, and it will load your computer where you can pick your background image. So go to your computer where you have stored your images. And right there it will set your background image. So that is how you can add a virtual background image to your Zoom video. Thank you.